How to save execution process in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your execution process in your n8n workflow. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your n8n workflow and then click onto these three dots present at the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, simply choose settings, and from settings, you will see this option of save execution process. From here, simply click onto this drop down arrow and choose the save option, and then click onto the save button in the dialog box. You will see this particular notification that says workflow settings saved, and now you are all set. So that was pretty much it about this particular video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do make sure to give it a like as well. Let us know in the comments if you run into any issues or you want to provide any suggestions for this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such and exciting content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.